Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Uniswap Analytics, a powerful tool for navigating the world of decentralized finance. Uniswap is a leading decentralized exchange that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. To get the most out of Uniswap, it's essential to understand its analytics platform, which provides valuable insights into market trends, liquidity, and trading activity. First, let's start with the basics. Uniswap Analytics is a web-based platform that offers a range of tools and metrics to help users analyze the Uniswap ecosystem. To access the platform, simply visit the Uniswap website and click on the Analytics tab. From here, you'll be able to view a range of metrics, including trading volume, liquidity, and token prices. One of the key features of Uniswap Analytics is the ability to view trading activity in real time. This allows users to stay up to date with the latest market trends and make informed trading decisions. To view trading activity, simply click on the Trades tab, where you'll be able to see a list of recent trades, including the token pair, price, and amount traded. Another important metric on Uniswap Analytics is liquidity. Liquidity refers to the amount of tokens available for trading on the platform, and it's a key indicator of market health. To view liquidity metrics, click on the Liquidity tab, where you'll be able to see a range of metrics, including total liquidity, liquidity depth, and liquidity distribution. In addition to these metrics, Uniswap Analytics also provides a range of tools for analyzing token performance. For example, you can view token prices, trading volume, and market capitalization, all of which can help you make informed investment decisions. To view token metrics, simply click on the Tokens tab, where you'll be able to search for specific tokens and view their performance metrics. To get the most out of Uniswap Analytics, it's essential to understand how to use the platform's visualization tools. These tools allow you to create custom charts and graphs to help you analyze market trends and token performance. To access the visualization tools, simply click on the Charts tab, where you'll be able to select from a range of chart types and customize your view. In terms of best practices, it's essential to use Uniswap Analytics in conjunction with other research tools and metrics. This will help you gain a more complete understanding of the market and make informed trading decisions. Additionally, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest market trends and news, as this can help you anticipate changes in the market and adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, Uniswap Analytics is a powerful tool for navigating the world of decentralized finance. By understanding how to use the platform's metrics and tools, you can gain valuable insights into market trends, liquidity, and trading activity, and make informed trading decisions. Remember to use the platform in conjunction with other research tools and stay up to date with the latest market trends and news to get the most out of Uniswap Analytics.